Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel we give review about skincare products. So today I'll review about a product called Majesty Whitening Oil. Here is it. I know that most of you know this product. It has been trending for a long time, for about 1 month, 2 months or thereabout. This body oil is very good. It's a whitening oil, it's not a brightening oil, it's not a moisturizing oil. If you want your skin to whiten, you want to whiten your skin, apply this product. Or if whereby the product you are using is not giving you that shade that you need, use this one. It is very good on the skin. And this oil don't only whiten the skin, there are other things it helps to do. This oil helps to target dark spots, it helps to whiten, and it also helps to clear acne. But the acne as the side of acne doesn't clear it that much. In fact, the main work for this Majesty oil is whitening. Okay, the main work of this oil is whitening. Once it comes to whitening, this is what you use. When anything concerning whitening, you need just want to whiten your skin, use this product. Although there are other products in the market, but this one, my customers have used it and they can testify that it is good. So if you need it, we have it in our store. We deal on wholesale and retail also. We deliver worldwide. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Tony Best Cosmetics, so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.